MCA County ya Kisii igomo basorero wetie budget yenye y'omwaka w'2025 2025 nebere yeisene chishiringi chibirioni €22 asogosomuku gwakorwa n'omugwaziri w'ekibesa Richard Atande asiboigo hime gosime ya magachayo kukwana chingiki cy'umunyakiro gwe budget yeyo yibo igoro mu MCA wegwodi ya munyerero homuske Peter Tachi igo hatebabuna egetambokerekyo nigo kirachikweneki amagendero ase County ya Kisii muri kitodani runtiri aroboti rwasinjira yoboikano
ase Assembly ya Kisii mugasorero asaba MCA baiga bakore gikaro kyo gwetie budget yo mwelio ase gipindi kiga kimyaka 5 yesaine shiringi chibirioni €22 iyo yekigwa busyo we Assembly yo nagosomwa n'umwaziri w'ekibesa se County ya Kisii Richard Atande.
As men of the same opinion say aye.
Okwana chinga kecho muspika we County ya Kisii nigatebona budget yo nere n'obuyasa magendero narachi gokonya abamenyi be County ya Kisii osuka gochase birengo binde
lero twetire budget ya 2026-2027 asengencho yokorenta magendero ase county yeito nebinto biri byonsi pigabana a promiseti abantu ba Kisii enere budget yo mwerio tugochikokoregas this our last budget tokorera abantu baita magendero tigatobwatirane nande totebia abana inchi bagusii bonsi amagendo munari agende tokorekana masinane. Today we were discussing in the Assembly amagendo agende tokorekana ebitajo byaremiru amacharemiru nanda abana inchi bande bakwenda baji gusaria. It is not for us amagendo na yabana inchi ebinto biri birende. Okay, it is about your resources.
Korengana n'umunyakirogo we budget muske Peter Tachi oibo igoro mu MCA we ward ya Munyerero ase bonge ya Kitutu Chache North kurwase budget iyo siringi chibirioni 3.2 nigo chirobire gocha gosangelirwa ase birengo bya county nechinde nigo chirachiko bwatukwa kurwase serikali nene nechinga gecho otayabuna ase budget iga sector yobochenu chisemi chipara na mache negati chisekta chiachabekiru kubagwoko nene kurwase budget ye
budget as good things for the people of Kisii County because we factored in purchase of maram at 80 million and fuel at 120, which will facilitate the construction of roads across the county. Number two, we also have the highest budget for water, which will be 2.25 billion shillings, Kenya shillings, and this is because after we had purchased the machineries, now we had no option other than to also concentrate on giving people water. We also have a bigger budget in the Department of Medical Services, which will entail improving our level 4s, the Nyamira Hospital, equipping of Getembe Hospital, and other things. Then I think that is what I can say. We also have a bursary, and this bursary we have factored in 315 million, which will be used in the forward budget, and that one will entail 7 million going to every ward. Then we also have a feeding program of 450 million, and this one will actually go to ensure that our kids get milk. And as governor has always indicated, we want to ensure that we give milk to grade 2. So we will be giving to PP1, PP2, grade 1 and also grade 2.
Dolphin wari MCA mochore we County ya Kisii negati ya barai kurase Assembly ye aboigo borokia omogoko asokubotukwa wense menene ase sector ya mache koenekia buna kirenka ase County ya Kisii yeikeligwa mache ase gesiri kiabo
ase budget tutu etiriri tukoria rero the biggest beneficiary we budget yega aro muswati to Kisii County because abaswati twatemyorera matemu amange kera abana baito bakwenda chindo chikuya mache kwanyorera banyorera marita mapema kwanyorera abana baito basirire galia na ndo goitwe kana one bibuyu mututari gasi ngororo but the members of this assembly and the executive omu governor ito Paul Simbarati orore na ne ya maana the budget ya gusi 30% of it egenda samangana ya mache so we want to thank him and also tote nambia mono tuakire mnambia mono n'abasibati bagusi na this has been propelled nantogendere igo kubeka cha agenda cy'abasibati bose
nkuruba tereka ni kya Getembe kurega ase Assembly ya Kisii yegotokeme y'umucyo bosongo ritere n'inguru kwa Daniel Untiri.